CVO in the building here at Get Lowered Cycle, picking up my boys Roking and Roking Special. His bike wasn't turning on in about since December. We didn't know what's wrong with it, but it wound up being just spark plugs. We didn't really know. But here at Get Lowered Cycles, he got it fixed up and ready to go. So, how does it feel, G, to turn on your bike again after 3 months?
Amazing. I'm ready to rock and roll.
Not to Florida yet, but
I'll be ready in a week. I'll be ready to go.
Yeah, so there's his bike. We just put the new baffles in there. Yo, where's your paper? The paper. Let's see how it looks. We're gonna show you the paper, how it is on its numbers. Let's see. 109 and 116. There you go. Alright, so short little video here today at Get Lowered Cycles. We got my man Mike over there. He'll take care of you if you need him or anything, okay? Alright guys, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the video while G gets ready for his adventure back home, an hour-and-a-half ride.
Alright.